I know.
This is one of those problems.
This shit sucks.
All right, we're back, guys. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix this problem.
Yeah.
Fuck this problem. All right.
Well, let's get a see if the on collider does anything.
Yeah, let's actually output some stuff to the console.
Am I exiting it?
Are you exiting it?
Because the on exit sets me unsafe.
Dude, you shouldn't be exiting it. No. You're not exiting it until you're actually exiting it. Like,
all right, well, let's just put some logs and see what happens.
Let's put some logs?
Not logs like that turd, but...
Hold on, let me just... Alright, so we've got Lilypad.
That's where the magic happens.
Alright, so here we're finding Froggy.
Mm-hmm.
And on trigger... Actually, let's do that in the car script. No, the frog script. Safe. Is safe. Safe.
It's the very last
If
thing.
not, is safe.
Just put a log inside the safe function.
False. Right. Yeah, we'll put it right here.
Well, that we know already happens.
This is
because he dies.
All right.
Let's just see if. Are you sure that's defaulting or that's actually setting it every time?
We'll find out.
Why would it set it every time? That'd be stupid. That'd be a dumb way to create it.
All right. So. This should only get called once.
Can you start me at position 0?
It doesn't even get called.
No. It's not happening, that's why.
No shit. Oh! Wait.
No.
Nope. Why do you know what I'm thinking?
I don't know what you're thinking, but I don't know.
It has the lily pad.
Yeah.
But it's not enabled.
What do you mean it's not enabled?
Well, the car script has a check mark, but the lily pad's one does not.
What the hell? How's that even a thing?
I don't know.
That does not make sense. What's wrong with the script?
I don't know, dude. Something's
Is the killer? Does the car have like a killer script?
No.
And is that enabled?
Yeah.
You know
See?
what I mean?
The car has a car script.
Oh, frog killer script
yeah,
enabled.
and they're both enabled.
But the lilypad script's not enabled? Is that just like a UI bug or is that something real?
I don't know, dude. I'm gonna
put some logs in there on the start. Oh, or you just do that.
And then I'm gonna just add it again. Dude, it's like it's
go into it. And
into the script?
Yeah, and put a log in the start method.
There's no start method.
Of lilypad?
Maybe that's the problem.
What, that there's no start method?
I don't know, man.
Wait, why are you making them all private?
You made it private.
No, I didn't.
Doesn't matter.
Just void start, right?
Yeah. God damn it. This is
Dude.
so annoying.
We're gonna have to do something about that. Just log something in the start.
Start. Alright.
If it works now, then who knows? That wouldn't make any sense. We're in like start doesn't even get called from the editor, so why would that have any effect on a check mark? It's there.
What?
The check mark.
No shit.
Yeah.
Look at
All
that.
right.
That's fucking weird.
Okay. Ready?
Yep. Still didn't work. Oh wait. Started, got called. But we're still not.
Yeah, it's not happening.
Okay. So hang on a second.
So I'm entering the collider.
Frog is a trigger.
Can you just log his safe constantly in his update?
What the variable is?
No, that won't do anything.
No, it won't do anything because if it were to return something...
And you put a log in his die function, right?
We would... Yes. No. We have...
Yeah, you did. So that's not getting called.
No,
not his die function, his save function.
Yeah, we
Okay,
have...
so that's not getting called.
No, that's not getting called.
Remove the default thing.
What?
The default safe value.
This?
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna help, but
Well, no. If anything, it should make it to where we never fucking fall into the water.
no, because you're setting it to false.
Right. Because it should be false.
If your safe is false, then you are not safe.
Then you're gonna die.
Yeah. So
Which is what is happening.
never mind.
I get what you're saying.
Damn it. Can you just move him to position 0? Next time we
Come
stop
on,
and
man.
play, so I don't have to constantly do that? Nope, it's not happening.
Still not happening. What the fuck?
Damn it.
How can it be colliding with the fucking car but not with the log? What's the goddamn difference?
There's no difference. What
There-
position?
there really
He's at
isn't.
position 1? Yeah, it doesn't matter.
There really isn't any difference. All right,
Yeah,
let me
yeah, there's really
let me
not.
just look at this script. I'm just gonna like frog fro. Like I mean I copied this from the fucking
On trigger enter. Oh, on trigger exit is not 2D. I don't know if that means anything.
It probably doesn't, but I mean,
Some other trigger collider 2D.
but you know what? Just for now. Oops. God, fuck.
But that wouldn't matter because the safe function's still not getting called.
On trigger enter 2D.
You know what I mean?
Well, let's do this.
Does it have to be private?
Collision.
I think it's because it's private.
Collision. Dot.
What are you doing?
Object.
What are you doing? Ah, I see. Collision.collider?
There. I mean, I don't really know what that will tell us. Probably nothing, because it's not getting called.
Click. Yeah, nothing's getting logged still. It's because it's private, man, I'm telling you. Don't make the method private.
Dude, because what's private?
The collision method.
Dude, the collision method is private here too.
Well, I don't know.
It's a private method.
I don't know then.
The fuck? I mean, the only difference is that you're calling another method from your method instead of calling...
That has nothing to do with
I
it.
know! I know, it can't.
That has nothing
It
to do
can't.
with it.
So why is it not working? Alright, so you know what? I just
God, I hate this bullshit.
I just want to see something.
Fucking colliders.
We're gonna have 2 episodes worth.
This is insane. It's insane.
Oh my god, it's gonna drive me nuts. All right, so
Wait a second.
what?
Okay, so that's getting called, apparently.
Is there anything else that resets us back to 0? Like,
Oh, you know, I think maybe the collision is happening after this frame.
after
The
what? frame?
collision is probably checked at the start of the frame.
You're right.
Yeah.
So
and this is happening.
Whoa, wait.
What?
So we set it safe to true
Why?
until it's false. So
No, but then you'll just walk on water.
no, you won't.
Yes, you will.
Only for a split frame until it does the collision detection.
Well, if you can avoid the logs, then you can.
No, man.
Yeah.
No.
Watch. Look, I'm safe.
But let's see if the... Okay, see, it finally got called.
Well, the on exit didn't. So basically, what's supposed to happen is
We're supposed to check it. And
no.
then...
Yeah. Well, the collision happens at the beginning of the trigger happens at the beginning of the next frame after this. So, what do we do? Can we just, shit.
Well, let's think about this for a second.
Either that or the collision triggers just happen at the end? That's right? That's why it's happening.
If it's greater than 0...
You're setting his position too soon.
Setting his position too soon?
Yeah. Because die gets called.
So we have to wait.
It doesn't matter how long you wait in the update method.
So what if we just...
The best thing to do
What if
would
we
be
just
to
take
create
this
a giant rect.
and move it...
That's not going to do anything.
We move it to after the position gets set.
Huh?
Just listen. We moved this to after the position gets set.
What is that going to do? Die is just going to set the position.
Die is going to set the position.
This is the same thing.
No, wait. Wait a minute. This sets... God, because this gets the local position.
Yeah.
That was set from this position.
Yeah, and then it overwrites it again.
So either way, I think this should be at the end anyways.
Either way, that shouldn't be there, and you should create... Basically, put a giant game object that is the water and give it the frog killer script. And that way, the triggers will happen when the triggers happen, instead of having to worry about mixing up when the updates happen versus when the triggers happen. See what I'm saying?
Okay.
So in the next episode, that's what we're going to do.
Are we in the next episode? Yeah.
Yep.
All right. So yeah, in the next episode, we're going to create a giant fucking body of water that we're going to check against collision detection.
Perfect.
Which is what we should have done in the fucking first place.
Cool.
All right.